In today's adventure, we decided to buy 2 paddleboards and head over to Wast Water in the Lake District to test them out. From trying to stand up on a paddleboard to driving along the steepest winding roads in the Lake District, this is a video you're going to want to stick around for. So make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let's get into it. So this was my first time ever touching a paddleboard, and I had no idea what I was doing. I just thought I'd empty the bag and figure it out from there. Now, if you've ever used a paddleboard before, these pumps are quite confusing. Well, they were for me anyway. Then again, it doesn't really take much, to be honest. Basically, it has 2 holes either side, and you can screw the plastic pipe thingy, whatever it's called, onto the side that says inflate and start pumping. It's quite easy once you figure it out, but my brain just couldn't really comprehend it.
So this is my first time paddleboarding. We've got our Neve over here. She's going to teach us the ropes. She's been before, she knows the score. But yeah, we're just going to wing it. I'm going to change to the GoPro. I'll either put chest cam or height cam on. And we'll see how it goes from there. I do need to get changed and stuff though. What else we're going to say? We're at Wast Water. It'll be in the title of the video, obviously. And yeah, we're just gonna have a little cruise about. First time. And yeah, I'll do some talking over the GoPro. Let's go.
What? Hang on, I haven't set off yet, man. I'm trying to fucking balance. I wish we had like a double O.
We won't be long.
Why?
Won't be out long.
Why?
Because it's choppy. How will we do that?
I'm gonna dance by myself like nobody's watching. Don't really care if my rhythm's off, 'cause I'm gonna dance like nobody's watching me. I'm gonna dance by myself like nobody's watching. Don't really care if my rhythm's off, 'cause I'm gonna dance like nobody's watching me.
I quite like it. It's kind of good, isn't it? Oh, is it? Right. I'll try not to crash into you. I'll try not to crash into you.
I was all the way over there last time.
Where, yeah.
And I couldn't.
Wait there, I need to. Well, I nearly fell in. It's not, I don't think it's that bad. Is it? What are you doing? Standing up?
No, just like
I'll come and get you if you want. You know what I'm waiting for? To like fall in and get proper cold water shock. Ho ho, I've definitely just jinxed myself there. Wait, I'm gonna attempt something. Yeah. Yeah, you can see where this is going really, can't you? Can't even.
I can't even turn.
No, wide, like that. Wide, like that.
Are we going back up this way? I don't think we're going to get anywhere, you know. This is training for the sea.
Start getting the jet book.
Was that?
When you get that, just stop down.
I tried, I fell off. Neve, I don't think we're going anywhere. No, because I've just looked back at that beach where. Whoa! Come on, let's go to the edge and we'll work our way up the edge. Whoa, look at the speed! If you're diagonal, the wind keeps you this way and you can paddle that way quicker. Kind of. Right, let's get over to this beach here. Yeah? Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Baby. Hang on, I'm trying to balance. Take yours. Thanks. Hello. I think we should do this more often. Be able to stand up here. Oh. Ow.
Right, that sun's came out, giving me false confidence. I can guarantee it's going to go back in the second I'm out here. Alright? Right, stop here and we'll see if you can stand up. Stop here and we'll see if you can stand up. Come to me. Come on. Slow. Slow. Not again. You won't fall in again. Right. Right, keep it steady. Keep it steady. Stay there. Right, just hold that and then stop paddling. It is very choppy like. I'd love to turn around and look at you, but I can't. Nope, 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 nope. It's scary that the fact that this water is actually clear. It's just that deep that it's black.
At this point, I was basically just saying that I wanted to head back to the car, get a drink of water, and I was going to get the head mount to put the GoPro on the head mount, but I decided not to do it in the end, just in case I fell in the water and I lost all the footage.
You know, right? He's all the way over there. He's going along. And I want to quote the fact that he said that if I fell in, he'd come and catch me. Do you want to explain to me how that boy, all the way over there, can catch me from all the way over here? He also thinks I'm talking to him, so he keeps screaming that he can't hear. Which I find quite funny. So just if Neve doesn't come home, just know Cameron only saved the GoPro. He didn't save Neve. Middle finger as well.
It's good, quite enjoying it. Might do more often. Whoa, that's getting a bit choppy out here. Quite relaxing, to be honest. It's obviously a bit better to come down when it's more like chilled out, but quite enjoying it. Just sitting on it like a kayak. I feel like it's a lot more comfortable because my I've got bad knees, so I prefer to sit. I know you're probably not supposed to, but I don't know. I just find it a lot more comfortable. Yeah.
It's steeper than Scarfell Hiker's Pole.
Really?
Yeah.
That's kind of mad, that. Not a chance, not in this. Yeah, mate, I'm freezing. I don't want to fall in. It's not happening. Acclimatise. Acclimatise. Pull. Oh. How are you staying there and I'm like just about? I'm just everywhere? Anywhere and everywhere, baby. Leave, I can't turn. I don't know if I got it, but I proper splashed you. Hey, do you reckon you can do it sideways like this? Oh, I'm doing it. Oh, oh. It is kind of cold, like, isn't it? Nave, that's the beach there.
We decided we'd had enough paddleboarding for the day and headed back to the car to start packing away. Once in the car, I decided to take the scenic route home, which ended up taking us along Hardknott Pass. Now, if you don't know what Hardknott Pass is, it's a road that takes you through Dutton Valley that's full of steep inclines, twists and turns, and a lot of animals. It's also the steepest road in the Lake District, so let's hope the little Corsa can handle it.
I'm gonna have to just wait, aren't I?
Cameron.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Beep beep, look at my sheep. This is kind of mad, this, like, isn't it? Look at this.
30% incline.
Wah pom pom.
Oh my god.
This is great. This is absolutely brilliant.
Just looks like,
I'm just first gearing it all the way up.
it just looks like a death drop and then it just completely cuts round. Oh my god.
Go on! I hope this road goes somewhere.
Yeah, me too.
Because, like, imagine if we just drove all the way up here. And
It's a dead end.
goes nowhere. It's a
car park.
It says on the sat nav that it's not.
It's a pretty car park.
Yeah, we end up in a car park. We have to drive all the way back. We're not going to get home till 9 o'clock anyway.
Oh my god.
Come
Just
on,
for
little
reference.
closer. Come on. Oh my god.
Oh my god, Cameron.
This is classic.
This is not sturdy at all.
This is great.
It's so shaky.
This is great.
Look down in the valley.
I absolutely love it. Okay.
Because the valley was so...
Oh, I give up.
I don't blame him. I wouldn't have even attempted it. Good on him.
Good effort, mate.
It's just death drop after death drop. Oh my god, Cameron. I feel like I'm falling out of the car.
This is quality, this. I absolutely love this.
We should have brought the Yaris.
No, I think we should have left the Yaris at home. It's had enough damage done to her.
Alright, you didn't need to point that out, did you?
Move! I'm giving them some good exercise.
Leave them alone.
It's good exercise.
People don't want to see you, they want to see the cows.
No.
Oh, there's a whole group of them.
Oh, he's just shitting.
No, oh. Maybe you'll give him.
Oh, fresh. I'm glad that's not my car.
Yeah, let's just keep it moving. I do love them.
Keep it moving.
Oh, shut up. It was such a smooth dint that it does look like a cow's just
Right,
like a finger out.
right. Come on.
You got this. Thank you.
Hey, bird.
So, this was my first time ever paddleboarding and accidentally driving through Hardknott Pass. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and while you're at it, you might as well hit that like button. I'll see you in the next adventure.